In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert video colors on CapCut PC. If you want to turn your footage into a negative style image or create a bold, high contrast X-ray effect, CapCut makes it very easy to do. This is a great option for dramatic transitions, stylized edits, or just adding something visually different to your project. I'll walk you through the exact process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along without getting lost. First, open CapCut on your PC and head to the top left area of the interface. You'll see the main menu row there. Click on the Effects tab to open CapCut's effects library. Right below that, make sure the Video Effects category is selected. This is important because CapCut separates different kinds of assets, and the invert option we need is found specifically under Video Effects. Once you're inside the Video Effects library, go to the search box near the top of that panel. Click into the search field, type the word Invert, and then press Enter on your keyboard. CapCut will bring up the matching effect in the results. You should see the thumbnail for the invert effect appear in the grid. When it shows up, click and hold on that effect, then drag it down into your timeline. Drop it directly onto your video clip on the track. As soon as you apply it, your footage should switch to that inverted color look in the preview window. After that, you can fine-tune the effect to get exactly the look you want. Click on your video clip in the timeline so it's selected, then move over to the top right Properties panel. In that panel, look under the Video section and then open the Effects area. Here you should find the control for the effect intensity, usually labeled something like Filter or Strength. Drag the slider left or right to adjust how strong the inversion appears. If you leave the value at 100, you'll get the full negative color effect. If you reduce it, you can create a softer, more blended look that feels more stylized and metallic instead of completely inverted. This gives you a bit more creative control depending on the mood you want for the scene. And that's it. You've opened the Effects panel, searched for the invert effect, dragged it onto your clip, and adjusted the intensity from the Properties panel. In just a few quick moves, you can completely transform the visual style of your video inside CapCut on PC.